Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you a very easy way if you for some reason would like to protect your motorcycle frame from getting scratches. All you have to do is actually to buy one of these. It's called a grip wrap and it's usually used for like tennis rackets, badminton rackets to get a better grip on the handle, but it's a really good thing to use on your motorcycle frame as well. And this particular one is a Wilson grip wrap. You can see the picture up here. But there's many of them and they're really cheap. Okay, so first I'm just gonna get rid of this old one that I've been sitting here for like 2 years. And why do you wanna protect your motorcycle frame? One could ask. Well, for me, it's because I use a chain to chain my motorcycle at night, and then the chain is going around the frame here. So you can only imagine what would happen to the frame if I put a chain around it every night. So I do have a tape here, but it's on top of the grip wrap, so it doesn't come in contact with the frame. That's the whole key. So now I'm just gonna attach this one. I'm gonna wrap this one around this and secure it with a little bit of electrical tape on the end so it doesn't wrap up. Okay, as good as new. Now it's protected again, so I can easily put my chain around here without damaging the frame. Simple, easy. So that's it, a really easy way to protect your frame if you for some reason would like to do that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you on to the next.